first of all, for those that don't know, the internal PPC platform that Amazon has not gone live yet in alpha state, has not gone live yet. It's currently in beta phase. So there are some products, as you will see if you kind of click around on Amazon in Australia, that are running sponsored ads. And so clearly it's the sponsored product ads, PPC campaigns in Amazon in Australia is there, but it's only in beta phase. So that's the background to Melinda's question. And typically what would happen is you would use Amazon's PPC as an adjunct for multi-channel approach to actual launching a product, as Melinda's done. And it would form part and parcel of your overall strategy for getting rank on Amazon. It's a cool thing to do. But because it's not there, what the hell do you do? All right, so what I would do, and I would do this anyway, but in light of the lack of PPC, it would move up my hierarchy of to-do lists of what I do next. I'd be running Google AdWords to my listing, Melinda. So let's do that. So I'm gonna possibly give away your thing, so I do apologize if that sucks. So I just want to show you. So Melinda's selling arthritis gloves. I remember from your PPC campaign that compression gloves was also one of the things. So if we go to Google Keyword Planner and do this yourself. So if you're watching this, open a new tab on Google and type in to google.com.au arthritis gloves, arthritis compression gloves, okay? And you can see the sort of search volume that's currently out there, all right? So I would be putting bids on those keywords and then sending the traffic, the Google traffic, to my Amazon product listing page through a optimized URL, Melinda, and you would know exactly what that is from the advanced group. So from an optimized URL, and then two things you definitely want to do as well is arthritis gloves Amazon and compression gloves Amazon. So your main search term on Amazon plus the word Amazon now forms your overall search term on Google. And the idea here is anybody that's searching on Google to buy arthritis gloves Amazon is a crazy good prospect for you to put a PPC advert in front of on Google to drive them to your product listing on Amazon. I hope that makes sense. It is ludicrously good practice to do this, and anybody that's watching this ought to do this with their product. Start with that main single keyword, the best possible keyword for your listing, fluffy bear, whatever it may be, with the word Amazon after it, and run traffic on that as what's called a phrase match. And I don't have time to go into the whole thing, but a phrase match search term that should form part and parcel of any marketing you're doing. But in light of the fact that Amazon's PPC is not available in Australia yet, then it ought to get bumped up in terms of the order of events and the sequence of events that you do when you are listing and looking to rank a new product on Amazon. So Melinda, that's what I'd be doing. I would also be doing using my brand assets, and I would be looking at things like my Facebook and things like that as a way of getting in front of my customers as well. For instance, if you go to BuzzSumo, I use BuzzSumo Heaps. Hopefully I'm going to be able to show you this, but I use BuzzSumo Heaps. What BuzzSumo is, it shows you the main, I've reached my daily limit, I don't want to log in either. So you guys go and do that search, you'll see for yourself. You just go in there and you'll see that what it does for you, it's at buzzsumo.com. It shows you the most shared content across the internet on various platforms, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google+, most of the top top ones, and you can take that content, repurpose it. I spoke about this in a particular session in the advanced group as well, Melinda, and talked about how to use that. But essentially, you share that on your own Facebook platforms and look to get virility on those shares, and that's a good strategy too. But for quick results, Google PPC is the way to go for sure. Don't neglect Bing as well, particularly for your market. Remember that Bing as a search engine is the default search engine on the new PCs with Windows 10 and things like that. And most folks of an older nature who would be markets for your gloves would not think to change the default. They just go with Bing as a search engine. Therefore, Bing in general is the search engine of choice for baby boomers. So that's to think about as well. So you can run adverts on Bing all day long. Hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.